Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most outrageous and ambitious creations of the automotive world, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Known for crafting high-performance machines with racing heritage, Ferrari has stunned the world by entering the luxury RV segment. But of course, they haven't just built a camper, they've engineered a high-speed mansion on wheels that screams elegance, innovation, and performance. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 blends the soul of a supercar with the heart of a high-end motorhome. The exterior is pure Ferrari, aggressive, aerodynamic, and crafted with advanced carbon fiber panels and aluminum structures. Every curve is designed for airflow, and the sleek front fascia is inspired by Ferrari's hypercars. Signature LED lights, retractable spoilers, and gloss black detailing create a dramatic road presence. It's not just a moving home, it's a statement of speed and sophistication. Underneath the stylish shell, Ferrari has equipped the motorhome with a re-engineered hybrid V8 powertrain producing over 800 horsepower. That's right, this beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which is unheard of for a vehicle of its size. With Ferrari's signature Eminettino system on board, the driver can toggle between drive modes like comfort, sport, and even race. Adaptive suspension and carbon ceramic brakes ensure a dynamic and safe driving experience, making this motorhome just as fun to drive as it is to live in. Step inside, and the luxury is absolutely next level. The interior cabin is wrapped in premium Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber finishes. There's a race-inspired digital cockpit with a fully digital steering interface, dual AI-assisted displays, and voice command integration. The lounge area features a sleek, automated leather sofa, a retractable 55-inch OLED smart display, and panoramic ambient lighting. It's not just smart, it's emotionally intelligent, adjusting lighting and temperature based on your preferences. The kitchen is a modern marvel, complete with an induction stove, built-in espresso machine, and smart fridge. A hidden pop-up table and automated storage make dining both luxurious and efficient. The bedroom includes a memory foam queen-sized bed, ceiling skylight, and motorized blackout curtains. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a rainfall shower, touchless faucets, and bespoke Ferrari red tile accents that remind you of its racing roots. In terms of tech and sustainability, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is equipped with solar panels, energy recovery systems, and 5G connectivity. You can control almost everything through an app, including lighting, climate, and media. It's a moving luxury suite, perfectly designed for those who want performance and comfort without compromise. Whether you're cruising across Europe or parking at a luxury campsite, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome ensures that you travel in unmatched style, speed, and sophistication. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution on wheels, built for those who expect nothing less than excellence. Thanks for riding with Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more next-gen auto reviews. See you in the next one.